Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Naturally.
Hello, friends. We are happy to see you again.
I am Adam, and this is Sarah.
Today, we have a very interesting topic for you.
Yes, today we will talk about small daily habits to improve your English.
We will share simple tips you can do every day.
And we will practice speaking, listening, reading, and writing together.
You can follow us and repeat slowly to improve your English.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English learning.
Yes, please like this video if you enjoy it.
And leave your comments below. Tell us your favorite English habit.
Also, share this video with your friends who want to learn English.
Are you ready to start learning with us today?
Let's have fun and practice English together.
Let's go. Hi, Sarah. How are you today?
Hi, Adam. I am good, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too. Today, I want to talk about small daily habits to improve English.
That sounds interesting. I always want to learn English every day.
Yes, daily practice is very helpful. Even a few minutes every day can make a big difference.
Really? I sometimes feel I don't have enough time to practice.
That is normal, but you can try simple things in your daily routine.
Like what? Can you give some examples?
Sure. First, try to speak English every morning. Even one sentence is good.
Oh, I see. So I can say good morning in English to start?
Yes, and then you can talk about what you are doing. For example, I drink water or I eat breakfast.
That is easy. I can do that. What else can I do?
Reading is very helpful too. You can read a short English article or a few sentences from a book.
I like reading, but I sometimes don't understand all the words.
That is okay. You can try to understand the main idea first. Don't worry about every word.
That makes sense. Focus on the meaning, not every word.
Exactly. Also, listening every day is important. You can listen to podcasts or songs.
I like listening to English songs. I can try podcasts too.
Yes, listening helps you understand pronunciation and new words naturally.
I noticed that when I listen, I remember words better.
Right. And don't forget to repeat sentences. Shadowing is a good technique.
Shadowing? What is that?
It means you listen to someone speaking English and repeat the sentence immediately.
Oh, like a mirror for speaking. I say what I hear.
Yes, it helps improve your pronunciation and confidence.
That sounds fun. I want to try it today.
Great! You can start with short sentences. For example, I wake up at 7.
I wake up at 7. Oh, I like it. What next?
Then you can add another sentence. I drink coffee in the morning.
I drink coffee in the morning. I like this method.
Very good. Try to do it every day. Even 5 minutes is enough.
5 minutes every day is easy. I can do that.
Another habit is to write a few sentences in English. It can be simple daily activities.
Like, I eat breakfast or I read a book?
Yes, exactly. Writing helps remember words and sentence structure.
I sometimes make mistakes in writing. Is that okay?
Of course, mistakes are normal. They help you learn.
That is good to know. I will not be afraid of mistakes.
Perfect. And you can also talk with friends in English.
I don't have many friends who speak English. What should I do?
You can join online English communities or chat with learners.
That is a good idea. I will try that.
And watching videos in English is helpful too. You can watch with subtitles.
I watch some videos, but I usually read the subtitles only.
That is okay. Try to listen and read at the same time. Later, you can watch without subtitles.
That will be challenging, but I want to try.
Yes, small steps every day. Slowly, it will be easier.
I feel motivated. I want to make English a daily habit.
That is great, Sarah. Habits are the key to progress.
Thank you, Adam. Your tips are very helpful.
You're welcome. Let's try one sentence together now.
Yes, I am ready.
I learn English every day.
I learn English every day.
Very good, Sarah. Keep practicing like this every day.
I will, Adam. Small steps every day.
I wake up at 7 every morning. I wake up at 7 every morning. I drink a glass of water first. I drink a glass of water first. Then I make coffee in the kitchen. Then I make coffee in the kitchen. I check my phone quickly. I check my phone quickly. I look at my messages and emails. I look at my messages and emails. I read the news for a few minutes. I read the news for a few minutes. I brush my teeth after breakfast. I brush my teeth after breakfast. I take a shower every morning. I take a shower every morning. I choose my clothes for the day. I choose my clothes for the day. I make my bed neatly. I make my bed neatly. I pack my bag if I go out. I pack my bag if I go out. I feed my pet in the morning. I feed my pet in the morning. I water the plants in the living room. I water the plants in the living room. I open the windows to get fresh air. I open the windows to get fresh air. I stretch for 5 minutes to wake up. I stretch for 5 minutes to wake up. I do a few exercises in my room. I do a few exercises in my room. I make a small breakfast for myself. I make a small breakfast for myself. I enjoy a cup of coffee slowly. I enjoy a cup of coffee slowly. I listen to calm music while eating. I listen to calm music while eating. I check my calendar for today's plans. I check my calendar for today's plans. I make a short to-do list for the day. I make a short to-do list for the day. I write down one goal for today. I write down one goal for today. I smile at myself in the mirror. I smile at myself in the mirror. I take a deep breath to start my day. I take a deep breath to start my day. I feel ready for a productive day. I feel ready for a productive day. I enjoy the quiet of the morning. I enjoy the quiet of the morning. I check the weather quickly. I check the weather quickly. I dress according to the weather. I dress according to the weather. I wear comfortable shoes for walking. I wear comfortable shoes for walking. I prepare my bag with water and snacks. I prepare my bag with water and snacks. I put on a jacket if it is cold. I put on a jacket if it is cold. I lock the door before leaving. I lock the door before leaving. I start my commute to work or school. I start my commute to work or school. I enjoy listening to music or podcasts on the way. I enjoy listening to music or podcasts on the way. I say hello to neighbors if I see them. I say hello to neighbors if I see them. I feel happy when I start the day calmly. I feel happy when I start the day calmly. I take small steps every morning to stay healthy. I take small steps every morning to stay healthy. I practice these habits every day without hurry. I practice these habits every day without hurry. I feel more ready and confident for the day. I feel more ready and confident for the day. Today, I will speak English for 10 minutes.
Today, I will speak English for 10 minutes.
I read a short English article every morning.
I read a short English article every morning.
I write one sentence in my diary in English.
I write one sentence in my diary in English.
These small habits help me improve slowly.
Yes, small habits are very powerful.
I also speak to myself in English sometimes.
I speak to myself in English too.
Speaking aloud helps me remember words better.
Yes, and it helps me practice pronunciation.
I try to say new words clearly.
I repeat new words several times.
I also make small sentences with new words.
I do the same. It helps me use words naturally.
Sometimes I speak about my daily routine in English.
I do that too. I tell myself what I eat, drink, and do.
I try to use simple sentences first.
Yes, simple sentences are easier to remember.
Then I try to make longer sentences slowly.
I also make longer sentences step by step.
I ask myself questions in English.
I answer the questions in English.
For example, I ask, "What did I eat for breakfast?"
And I answer, I ate eggs and toast for breakfast.
I also ask, "What will I do today?"
I answer, I will read a book and practice English.
Sometimes I speak about my feelings in English.
I do that too. I say, I feel happy today.
Or I say, "I feel a little tired this morning."
Speaking about feelings helps me express myself.
I also repeat sentences from English videos.
I repeat sentences from slow English podcasts.
I try to copy the pronunciation and intonation.
Yes, copying helps me sound more natural.
I speak English even if I make mistakes.
I do the same. Mistakes are okay.
I practice speaking every day for a few minutes.
I also practice speaking every day.
Gradually, I feel more confident.
Yes, confidence grows with daily practice.
I speak in front of the mirror sometimes.
I do too. I see my expressions while speaking.
I imagine I am talking to a friend in English.
I imagine the same. It makes speaking easier.
I try to speak slowly and clearly.
Yes, speaking slowly helps pronunciation and thinking.
I also record my voice sometimes.
I record my voice too and listen carefully.
Listening to myself helps me correct mistakes.
And I notice which words I need to improve.
I repeat difficult words many times.
I do the same. Repetition is very important.
I also learn new phrases every day.
I practice new phrases in my sentences.
I speak English even if no one listens.
I do that too. Practice is for myself first.
I try to enjoy speaking English every day.
Yes, enjoying the process is very important.
Speaking a little every day is better than nothing.
Even 5 minutes daily can make a big difference.
Small habits grow into big results over time.
Yes, slowly but surely we improve.
I feel proud of my progress each day.
Me too. Every small step counts.
Speaking daily makes English easier naturally.
And it gives confidence to speak with others.
That is why small daily habits are so powerful.
Yes, I will continue speaking English every day.
Me too. Small daily practice leads to big improvement.
Let's encourage our listeners to speak English every day.
Yes, even a little practice every day is very helpful.
Remember, daily habits build strong English skills.
Start small, speak daily, and enjoy the process.
That's the secret to improving English naturally.
Thank you, Sarah, for practicing together today.
Thank you, Adam. Daily practice is fun with you.
Let's keep speaking English every day.
Yes, small daily habits make a big difference.
Sarah, do you watch English videos every day?
Yes, I watch one short video every day.
Do you speak after watching the video?
Yes, I try to repeat what I hear.
That is very good. Repeating helps a lot.
Yes, and it makes speaking easier.
I also watch English videos in the morning.
I do that too. Morning is a good time to learn.
I choose short videos for beginners.
Yes, short videos are easier to understand.
I listen carefully to the pronunciation.
I also listen carefully to the pronunciation.
I repeat difficult words slowly.
I repeat difficult words too.
Sometimes I pause the video to repeat sentences.
I do the same. Pausing helps me practice slowly.
I try to copy the speaker's intonation.
I also copy the intonation. It makes me sound natural.
I write down new words I hear in the video.
I write down new words too. Writing helps me remember.
I try to use these words in my own sentences.
I do that too. Using words is very important.
Sometimes I watch the video twice.
I watch videos twice sometimes as well.
First, I just listen without speaking.
Yes, I do the same to understand the meaning.
Then I speak along with the video slowly.
I speak slowly with the video too.
I ask myself questions after watching.
I answer the questions in English.
For example, I ask, "What did the speaker say first?"
I answer, the speaker said, "Good morning, everyone."
I also ask, "What is the main idea of the video?"
I answer, the main idea is to practice English daily.
I try to understand the video without translating.
I do the same. Thinking in English helps a lot.
I listen to the same video several times in 1 week.
I repeat videos too. Repetition is very helpful.
I practice shadowing after listening.
I practice shadowing too. Shadowing improves fluency.
I sometimes speak in front of the mirror while repeating.
I speak in front of the mirror too. It helps confidence.
I feel more comfortable speaking after watching videos.
Me too. Videos give me ideas for sentences.
I notice how the speaker uses small phrases daily.
Yes, small phrases are easy to remember and use.
I try to use these phrases in my daily speaking.
I do that too. It makes English more natural.
Listening every day is a small habit but very powerful.
Yes, listening daily improves understanding quickly.
I try to listen to English during my commute, too.
I also listen during walking or traveling.
I sometimes listen and repeat at the same time.
I do that as well. Repeating while listening is very effective.
I check if I understand the video by summarizing it.
I summarize it too. It helps me remember the main points.
I enjoy listening to slow English videos every day.
I enjoy it too. It makes learning fun and easy.
Listening, repeating, and summarizing help me improve naturally.
Yes, it helps me speak and understand English better.
Small daily listening habits lead to big progress.
Yes, listening practice daily is very important.
Let's encourage our listeners to watch and repeat English videos daily.
Yes, daily listening practice makes English easier and natural.
Remember, even short videos help a lot.
Consistency and repetition are the keys to improvement.
Enjoy listening and practice speaking along with the videos.
That's the secret to improving English naturally.
Keep listening and repeating every day.
Yes, small daily habits build strong listening and speaking skills.
Thank you everyone for listening to today's episode.
We hope you enjoyed learning about small daily habits to improve English.
Remember, even small practice every day makes a big difference.
Keep speaking, listening, reading, and writing every day.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet.
Yes, like this video if it helped you learn English.
And leave your comments below. Tell us your favorite daily English habit.
Also, share this video with friends who want to improve English.
Your support helps us make more helpful content for you.
Keep practicing every day and enjoy your English journey.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
See you in the next episode for more English practice.
Keep learning, stay consistent, and have fun.
Bye, everyone. Practice daily and improve step by step.
Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.